wanted to catch. Okay, so today is January 18th. It's my birthday.
I missed it. Oh wait, no, I didn't.
Oh, nice. Perfect timing. And we're ice fishing. And we're already doing 100 times better than we did last year. I mean, we're not catching slobs, but pretty windy out today. It's 16 degrees out. We got our heater. And we've gotten nice. A lot of perch, one sunny, or bluegill. And, yeah.
Yeah, you bitch. Yeah. Trophy.
How are you?
Trophy.
Going from bigger to smaller. There you go. Nice, everyone. Woohoo!
Damn it. Oh wait, no, I got him actually.
Oh yeah! Another trophy.
Winner, winner, chicken dinner.
Look at that, I can barely hold him. Got something? It's a little bit bigger.
Hey-oh.
Never mind.
Better than what I was getting.
Yeah, you still got that monster today. When I say monster, I mean like just a normal sunny.
Yeah. Yeah.
Something really small.
There you go.
Ha-ha! Oh.
Is it a competition? Can I get the one in the... No wonder. I told you it was another small one.
That doesn't begin to describe small.
Barely bigger than the minnows.
So, I mean, we're not the best ice fishermen, but we're catching stuff.
Alright. This guy, I didn't even feel him bite.
Really?
Yeah, he just, like, all of a sudden I'm like, why is my line that way? And I pull and I couldn't feel it jig, and I started to reel him, and I feel like a little head shake. Damn it. Damn it, another little dinky one. Oh, you asshole. Oh, Alex.
That's what keeps happening.
That's why I try and lift it slowly, so I already have momentum going up, and then when I bite it.
I don't even get this mad when like I have a good fish on and it comes off. Because I don't know what it is.
Like, that would be a great day for watching.
No shit.
I can barely hear myself think.
I know. It's like driving a Jeep.
Oh, you asshole. Little asshole down here.
Almost.
I know, I'm getting bitten. Damn it, fuck, shit.
What'd he say?
I heard shit. Oh, I think he was just swimming with it in his mouth. I seen my line moving sideways, I tugged out.
I'm not angry. Not mad. Not even a little bit.
Oh my god, dude, how is he not getting a hook right now? damn it. They're right there. Look how shallow I am. Come on, you asshole. God damn it. Fuck.